A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome you all for our social studies online class. Students, as you know, we have already started our second chapter of social study, calendars and timelines. In that, we learn about the timeline, chronology, and the two types of calendars, Gregorian calendar and Saka calendars. The Gregorian calendar was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII in the 16th century. The calendar starts with 1st January as the first day of the year. There are 12 months in a year. Every month has 30 to 31 days. February has 28 or 29 days. Every month has 4 weeks. Every week has 7 days. And we learn about that simple poem also. Hope you learn that poem. It is very useful for all of you, that anyone if asks you how many months in this month or that month, you are able to give answer. Our next point, Saka calendar. The Saka calendar or the Indian national calendar is used in India alongside the Gregorian calendar. It was adopted in 1957. Students, see this picture carefully. Then you can understand the differences between the Gregorian and the Saka calendar. Gregorian calendar is based on the movement of the earth as it circles the sun, and the Saka calendar is based on the movement of the moon around the earth. Got it? In Gregorian calendar, it has 30 or 31 days in a month, except February, which has 28 days or 29 days in a leap year. And in Saka calendar, each month has only 28 days. The names of the months of the Gregorian calendar are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The names of the Saka calendar are Chaitra, Vaisakha, Jyeshtha, Ashadha, Shravana, Bhadra, Ashvina, Kartika, Agrayana, Pausa, Magha and Falguna. In Gregorian calendar has 4 seasons, namely spring, summer, autumn and winter, based on the weather changes taking place in the northern hemisphere. In Saka calendar, it has 6 seasons, namely Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharada, Hemanta and Shishira. It based on weather patterns in India. In Gregorian calendar, each day of this calendar has 24 hours. Each hour has 60 minutes. In Saka calendar, each day of this calendar has 15 muhurtas. Each muhurta has 48 minutes. Numbering the years in a Gregorian calendar. This is our last point. There are 2 terms, AD, Anno Domini, in the year of the Lord, and before Christ, BC. We write BC for that are used to number the years in the Gregorian calendar. The aim of writing AD or BC was to make the birth of Jesus Christ as the dividing point in writing world history, since most of the Western world were followers of Christianity. So, they believed that the birth of Jesus Christ in 1st AD was the most important event in history. Gradually, BC and AD have been replaced by BCE, it means before Common Era, and CE, it means Common Era. Understood, students? All events that happen in BCE are events that happen before the birth of Jesus Christ. If we are in 2021 CE, which is the same as AD 2021, or as we commonly say, this is 2021. Thus, calendars and timelines are very important for us. Without them, it will be very difficult to keep a track of events. Students, hope you understood today's online lecture. Now, one most important thing, whenever we complete any chapter, you have to read that chapter 1 or 2 times. Got it? Now, it's a time of vocabulary. Our first word is Christianity, the religion based on the teaching of Jesus Christ. Chronology, as I told you the meaning of chronology. Yes, the order in which a series of events happen or will happen. Schedule, a plan of activities or events and when they will happen. And the last one is sequence, a set of related things that happen or are arranged in a particular order. Students, you have to write vocabulary in your notebook. Then, recap, calendars and timelines. Here is the chart. You have to draw this chart properly in your notebook. All informations related to this chapter is given in this chart. So this chart is very important. Student, this is your homework. You have to write this in your textbook. Both the homework you have to complete and send a pic on classroom app.